Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing very well. So, as you know that I have started the series on Appian. So, we will start from like for the people who are just beginners and we will go to the advanced section. So, first of all, in order to start with the Appian, first of all, the community account needs to be created. So, for this, please go to this URL community.appian.com. Once you have clicked on that, you will get an option to get started, and then you need to fill your details and your account will be created. After that, you will get an option. Once your account is created, will get an option to go to Appian Designer. So click on that Appian Designer. Once you click on that Appian Designer, so this window will pop up. So these are the by default applications you can see, which you can play around with. So today in today's session, I'm just going to create one application. How we can create an application. So this we will see. So for this area is called Appian Designer. This whole area. I will explain all these parts in next session. What are all the? I will walk you through this whole Appian Designer. But today let's start with the new application creation. So once you click on new application, you need to give the application. Let's say I'm giving as test application. Okay, so prefix is automatically assigned here, and here you can give the description for tutorial. Now, if you click on this checkbox, then groups and folders will be generated. If you don't click, then you need to create group and folders. If you click on that, then by default, some groups and folders it will be created. So we will see later on. Let's create one. So here you can see these are the groups. Default, they will have no access. TA administrator 206, they will have administrator access to this application, and TA user 206, they will have viewer access. Now click on save. If you want to add some more users and groups, we can add, and we can give permission like administrator, editor, viewer, and deny. I will explain all these permissions as well. So once you click on save, you will get new window. Uh, if you want to build record type first, so you can click on record type. If you want to build new process model, so you can click on new process model or newer site and portal, so like that. So we will start from scratch. So I have cancelled it. Now this is the explore option. Here you can see what are the sites and portals. These are the different types of objects which we will cover in the coming sessions. And this is a build section where we will see what objects have been created. So this is the group. This is created. This user group is created. This is the folder. This folder will contain process models. This folder will contain documents. This folder will contain application documents. This folder will contain knowledge center, and this folder will contain rules and constants. So these are the by default objects are created, and folders are also created along with the groups. And this is a deploy section, like we can see what other deployment has been done, which is the incoming deployment, and outgoing is the if we are deployed from this environment to some another environment. This is a monitor section where we can monitor for different activities. So this I will explain in different session. So today we have just created one application. Our application is created along with default groups and process model folders, as well as different other folders have been created. So I hope guys you are able to understand how to create an application. So in the next session I will walk you through this whole APN designer, what is the function of each and every object and what are the different object types. So we'll see in the next session. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.